What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G, back with another video. Oh shit. Back with another video today in the M340. Decided to skip the whole intro with the phone, whatever, because today we are gonna do a POV of this car, and today I'm gonna try to show this car's cornering ability. We're gonna try to hit some back roads, some windy roads, so y'all can really see how this car handles and, you know, does what it does, because, you know, it's got 50-50 weight distribution. It's a good handling car, but I feel like I've never really showed y'all. I've showed y'all pools, I've showed y'all drag racing, whatever, but I really never showed y'all corners. So that's what I want to do today. Excuse my voice, I kind of just woke up not too long ago. It's 12 o'clock, but straight my day off, so a little bit raspy, but I'm gonna get some water in me, clear my voice, and then we're gonna get on the road, get straight to it. Yeah, like I said, as if y'all seen my last video, y'all know we straight got the diff serviced. So we got brand new fluid in the diff, you know, car's driving good, handling good, and you know, I just want to hit some back roads. We're gonna go to the spot. I'm gonna give y'all some cornering, some windy road driving, and I probably won't do too much talking. Bruh, we are approaching the spot now where the curvy roads are about to be, and it would be my luck that it would start downpouring rain, bruh. So obviously I'm not gonna be able to go, you know, as hard as I want, whatever, but I'm gonna still try to give y'all a little POV. Is what it is. We still gonna try to do what we can do, but I'll see y'all in 1 second. Wow, this sucks, bro. So lame. This is such a good, nice, curvy road, too. It was cloudy, but it didn't say it was gonna rain, bro. And then literally I get like 5 minutes from this spot, bro, and it starts downpouring. Look at these curves, though. Maybe it'll clear up. Damn. POV, how an M340 does in the rain. Back road driving. Such a good road too, bro. I know I ain't going crazy because, you know, I can't, but hopefully y'all still enjoy hearing the car. We gonna go up the road one more time. traction control in these cars are really good. Like, it almost won't let you, like, I've had systems in cars that are really like really bad, like they'll cut all power. This is like really perfect. Like, as soon as you're about to lose, it'll cut like a tiny bit, but it won't like make it feel like you don't have any power or whatever. So shout out BMW for really just making a fucking driving machine. You already know. Really on a dry day, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna give y'all some like a 100% out, like, you know, really cornering this bitch, you know, getting a little bit loose, whatever. But today I just can't, bruh. And the rain sucks, bruh, but is what it is. But I guess I ain't gonna keep doing this road because I can't really go hard with the rain. But I hope y'all enjoyed it anyway. I guess that's about it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace, bye.